Hello viewers, let's solve this challenging question together. So look at the board. S plus 2 root s minus 8 is equals to 0. So if you want to start, the first thing to start with your root s. Let root s is equals to any alphabet that you like. Let's use like M. So if your root s is equals to M, so we're having something like this. Square both sides. Square both sides. Why are we squaring both sides? Because it's square that can cancel square roots. So the square cancel this square root. So we're having s is equals to m squared. So meaning that anywhere you see s, just substitute the value of what? M squared as your s. So let's see now. Your s is m squared plus 2. Your root, why is s? S is m squared minus 8 is equals to 0. So square cancel square roots. So m squared plus 2m minus 8 is equals to 0. This is a quadratic equations. So you can actually use the simplest method that we are using now. They just find the half of this middle number. The half of 2 is 1. That is 1. Minus p. Then the other one should be 1 plus p. Anything you guys here, one should be minus, the other should be plus. All is equals, what is here? Minus 8. So let's solve 1 times 1. This is the difference of 2 square. 1 square minus p square is equals to minus 8. So 1 square is 1. Minus 8 is coming inside. That is plus 8 is equals to minus p square is going outside. That is p square. So this is a new method of factorizations. So 1 plus 8 is 9 is equals to p square. Find the square root of both sides. So your p is equals to 3. So we've gotten our p as 3. Then we need to get the value of m. So let me get the value of m. M is equals to, the first term is 1 minus p. 1 minus p. That will be 1 minus, what is your p? 3. That will be minus 2. Final answer. And the second one is m is equals to 1 plus p. 1 plus p. That will be 1 plus, what is your p? Your p is 3. 1 plus 3, that is 4. So our value of our answer is minus 2 or minus 4 for our value of m. But from the given question, you have to look for the value of s. So go back to this place. When s is equals to m squared. So from here now, if s is equals to m squared, if s is equals to m squared. So s is equals to the first m minus 2 squared. Minus 2 squared is plus 4. Minus times minus plus 2 times 2, 4. Then the second s, that will be 4 squared. And 4 squared is 16. So our value of our s is equals to 4 or 16. So that is your final answer. And don't forget to follow for more. Thanks.